I will show you how to make a YouTube subscription link. If you found this guide helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. So let's dive into the video. The first thing you need to do is get your YouTube channel link from here. To do that, you need to go to your channel page. You can either search for your channel or in the top right corner, click on your profile picture. Go to Be Your Channel. It will take into your channel page. Next, get your URL. In some browser, it's at the top, like this one. In others, it's at the bottom, more common in mobile devices. Highlight the URL, copy it. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to do this in a doc. But you don't have to do that. I will paste the link I just copied by right-clicking and select paste. Where is the link? Now, here is the main part. To add the subscription confirmation pop-up on YouTube, simply add this to the end of the link. Question mark sub underscore confirmation equal 1. That's it. Now, if you click on the link, it will take a moment and you will see a pop-up saying confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Tuts? That's it, guys. Just add this small piece at the end of any channel link to get the pop-up. I will put this in the description as well. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.